What's up guys, I'm Suman from Stein and I am excited as hell because we have a new camera. So this is something which has really gotten me excited and I've been waiting from morning to unbox this. Let's unbox. So after the unboxing, I will definitely explain why I bought this camera and why I'm going to switch to this from the current camera that I'm using. So let's get started. So here we have the a6100 or Alpha 6100, however you want to call that. Now I got a little excited and tore away the sticker, but I haven't opened taken a look at what's inside. So we have all the features, blah blah blah. I've seen a lot of videos on this, so let's right away dig in. So we have all our paperwork, warranty, blah, lenses. I sure will definitely buy a new lens soon, so let's see. Finally, we get a 64 gig SD card. Thank you, Sony. I bought this camera actually for around 65,000, so that was a cheap price and I'm really happy they included this, and I also got a bag with this, so great. And then we get an extra eyepiece, we get a micro USB to USB, a strap, and this is not the battery. This here is the battery, and this here is the charging thing. So you connect this here, and then directly plug it in and you charge. So let's move that aside, and here we have the camera. So it's really I don't know what to say. It's very tiny. I'm used to DSLRs. This thing is, I find it comfortable to hold. Many people don't, but I actually find it comfortable. There are a lot of switches, and there are a lot of switches. Your hot shoe mount, your flash. Yeah, this is an entirely new system to me. I need to get used to this. Definitely get used to it. So let's see the flip out screen. So yeah, finally we have it. So this is definitely an advantage because I'm used to looking at my current camera's display, it flips out, so I'm used to that, but now this is another advantage. I really don't know what to say right now. So this thing looks so cute. I don't know what to talk, so let me just switch directly to the part where I talk about why I switched to this camera. So let's go. So this is my new camera. So why did I buy a new camera? There are three reasons. Now my Nikon D5200 is an amazing camera for photography. So the pictures that you see right now on the screen have been taken by me on the Nikon D5200. So it is an amazing camera for photography, but when it comes to videography, it sucks. So the main reason for me to shift to a new camera was because of the poor autofocus on the Nikon D5200. It is bad. In fact, there's no autofocus for video on the Nikon D5200. I do hand acrobatics with a stick in order to half press the shutter button in order to focus me. So I always do this, it's like, so I do stupid stuff like this in order for me to focus, and sometimes it doesn't focus. So the focus is bad, very bad. And the second reason is the battery life. Now it takes 2 hours to completely charge this battery, but it takes only 40 or 45 minutes for it to get completely drained. So that's how bad the battery life is. Now consider I'm taking A-roll and then I want to take B-roll, and then maybe some other few more shots of me if I've missed any. I won't be able to do that. A-roll might be perfectly fine. B-roll, halfway done. That's all. So I need to again put it on charge, then shoot the video. So a lot of time is lost. So that's kind of frustrating. Now the third reason is because of the video quality. Now I'm shooting with a 50mm lens. Now I'm shooting with a 50mm not because I want amazing background blur, nothing like that. This has an aperture of f1.8 and that allows a lot of light to get in. The more the light gets in, the more the image looks better. That's the only reason. But I'm a person who prefers to shoot photos with prime and shoot videos with wide angle lenses, because that's more convenient. But I'm not able to do that with this camera. Once I switch over to the wide angle lens or the kit lens that it comes with, gone. Horrible video quality. Even for the prime lens that I'm using now, for photos it's amazing, but for videos I need to turn on a whole lot of lights. Yeah, so actually the lights you're seeing around is one or two lights that I'm using from my mom's workspace. So I can't always come here. So things like these have been bothering me for quite a long time. Trust me, it's been a very long time since I've been dealing with all these issues. So that's why I saved up some money and got this camera. So from now onwards, videos are going to be shot with an a6100. And I mean, it's definitely going to take some time to get used to the menu system, used to the entire Sony ecosystem. So bear with me if I mess up things in upcoming videos, but I'll assure you things will get better, and I can actually make content which I've always wanted to make without any worrying about the autofocus or things like that. Since I'm a single person who's doing all these videos, I heavily rely on autofocus, and I'm sure this one will definitely help me achieve that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe because amazing content is on your way. So thanks for watching, and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.